Once upon a time, unlikely friends, Timmy the raccoon and Tommy the tortoise. These two creatures couldn't have been more different in terms of speed, but their friendship was solid as an oak tree. Timmy was a quick and curious raccoon with a sleek black mask around his eyes. He was always on the lookout for shiny things to collect and explore. His nimble paws could open any container and sneak into places where no other animals dared to venture. Timmy's favorite pastime was racing through the forest. One day, Timmy had an idea. He suggested, "Tommy, how about we have a race? I'll slow down to your speed, and you try to go as fast as you can. It'll be fun to switch things up." Tommy smiled and agreed. Timmy lumbered along slowly, encouraging Tommy to pick up his pace. Tommy moved as fast as his sturdy legs could carry him, while Timmy was careful not to. It didn't matter who won the race, because Timmy and Tommy had discovered something far more valuable: the true meaning of friendship. They understood that their differences were what made their bond so special, and that by sharing their worlds with each other, they could both grow and learn. And so, in the greenwood forest, the raccoon and the tortoise continued to be the best of friends.